I told you, say don't trust niggas. They only want you to bleed.
MDK. Poof, 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 poof. Sweat, sweat, sweat. Echemano. Chama, bia, chama. Sweat, sweat. Bema no bomo kwa die. Oh, nyamiadum. Minimum woman the break as a real Flodel. So was in Baba Bosho, Mabuku room, not what I am on my other. Medica, Uti, say, Umi Bosha, and me go so Boshu, because Piccadilly. Tamana make just much as in a long by Boshu. And Mamma book room at all, I did be now, but me for because oh, we are VIP. Aye, a do never. Send a fellow make a fool baby. Oh, baby. I no. Hey, wow, but hey, Alan, way. I asked Mammy. Martin, Tini, Mamma, you know how money number in my home. I know what's any secret supreme. Why? Number near 05 5 5 5 08 31 6 6. Why? Enti baba yo foli besman. Mi mobile money number no. Enti send bra. Why? Mate. Hey, chama no what? Poof. Shut. Okay. Bomidi mami debi. E mama me wo. MDK. Mate di me hu pai. Me hu ani masa ko chi nyina kan. Mate. Eni bye.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay.
What's it?
Oh yeah. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. I'm fine. What did you?
Yeah.
Say. What did you?
Yeah.
Say the menti. Sister Allen.
It's Ghana.
What you Ghana ni? What you Ghana ha?
Yeah.
Enti me pato, ewie ya kwa nyina hu bi.
Bra.
So be nyina wo feel se uni bi.
Pacho me Peru.
Hey, sister. You top your me pato me Peru is a 10k. Say me pato me Peru again.
Me pacho me Peru.
Hey. We dey also timi kwane Yakubu ko beat. Also yeah demonstration part because was he seeing hey sister. So what is your name?
Why are you asking my name?
Because this is Piccadilly Hotel. Everybody come here. You are saying your name.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So my name is Mauricia.
Mauricia.
Should I spell it for you?
Me to meet me why?
Oh, okay.
And now what so who say me dim was more.
I don't know. You spell it.
Okay. Mauricia.
Yeah.
Nicely. Please, what are you come from?
Where do I come from?
Yeah, where do I come from?
Oh, I was at
Enka Ghana, Pacho. Okay, Ghana, me do where
I'm in Ghana. I've been in Ghana for a whole bunch of years now. Yeah. Let me say that.
Not this, but yes.
Yeah.
What do you stay in Ghana? What type of Ghana you stay?
It doesn't matter. What matters is I want a room.
I want to know your place you are staying so that I can continue with the processing for the room. Okay, so help me.
Really?
Yeah.
But I think it's taking time.
No, not taking time. If you come to Ghana, this is the first hotel that you go, you fill the form.
Really?
Yeah, Piccadilly Hotel. No hotel in Ghana will fill a form before you enter your room.
Okay.
But here, you have filled your form before you enter your room. Okay. So what Ghana you come from? What type of Ghana?
Where do I stay?
Yeah, in Ghana.
I stay at Santase.
Tudo Santase?
Yeah.
And maybe so to Santas, but me who ma. What type of Santas you stay?
Oh, do you know Beauty Queen?
Beauty Queen, yeah, I know Beauty. It's a food.
No, it's a hotel.
Hey.
Yeah, so I stay behind.
You stay behind Beauty Queen. Okay. I stay.
Do you have to write I stay behind?
Me pass up me why? Behind Beauty Queen. But you will tell me.
Whatever you write.
Beauty Queen hotel room.
It's not hotel room, it's hotel.
Sister, I'm the writing man. So look at me, okay? So, what is your family name? Your mother, your father, your siblings, your outside name, everybody name.
You're asking for all of that?
Yeah.
Oh.
We didn't go past me with some pictures.
Really? Come with some pictures.
Magic pictures in there, sister.
Is that what you do here?
Yeah. As a one, you are color, the way you are talking. That's why I've minimized your.
Mommy's name is Esther.
Esther.
Yeah, just.
Mama Esther or Esther
just
Smith?
Write Esther.
Just write Esther. Okay. But your father name?
Francis.
Francis.
Not Francis. Francis.
When I watch her now, I'm making.
But you have to write the correct.
And everybody is the pronounce the same, their way of pronounce.
I'm sorry.
Okay, thank you, Francis. Okay, so what are you come for the hotel? It's like why are you come?
My boyfriend is coming from the UK, so me and him have to lodge at some hotel. That's why I came here.
Come again?
I said my boyfriend is coming from the UK, so I have to find a place for him to be comfortable.
So you are a boyfriend?
Yeah, I have a boyfriend.
How many years you are a boyfriend?
What? Why should
you have shocked me. You have shocked me. How? Because you look as Nadia. You look as Nadia.
Yeah, she's my sister.
Nadia Boy is your sister?
Yeah.
I was coming to say, I saw you from way back. I said, what a look Nadia's sister is like. Wow. So you are coming together with your boyfriend?
Yeah.
So do you trust your boyfriend?
I trust him. Why all these questions? Like, just give me a room, okay?
I will give you the room, but I want to know, do you trust your boyfriend?
I trust him.
So don't you know you are cheating
No,
your UK
he's
back?
He's not cheating.
I
was with him actually, but then I came earlier.
What is your boyfriend name?
Why should I mention my
No problem. I want to know. Just like that, okay? Kevin.
Yeah.
Boating. Prince Boating. Prince Boating and fan Ghana. Meaning Prince Boating. Sister, if it's better for you, leave Kevin.
We should break up.
Yeah, break up. Boom. Don't break for you can say you bet me also. Boom say na break up. It will help your future. I know you have a bright future.
It's not the one that you think, okay? Just give me a room. That's all.
So what are you come? Tomorrow.
Or possibly this night.
This night?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Either tomorrow or this night.
Okay. Plane. Okay. So you come to airport, land airport.
Yeah.
Nice one. So what type of room that you like? We have single room self-contained, double room self-contained, chamber home self-contained,
nice
and bathroom.
Room, you know.
Bathroom self-contained.
Bathroom.
Yeah, and washroom self-contained. Everybody has the choices. But the first choice is the bathroom self-contained. People like that.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
You're real funny, but I ain't heard of bathroom
self-contained. It's only Piccadilly Hotel you get a bathroom self-contained.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just give me a nice room somewhere, something I could plan a romantic, you know.
Romantic. That means your boyfriend. When your boyfriend come, you romantic with your boyfriend.
Yeah.
And this
hotel, yeah, in my room, in the room that I'm coming.
The rules and regulation for this hotel, he say if a nice pretty lady come, you should sleep with the receptionist.
What the hell?
The hell? if you
I
can.
should sleep with who?
The receptionist. Receptionist.
Please, I can't sleep.
You can't follow the rules.
No
problem. Fine. I'll give you the room. So you say you like a nice room.
Yeah, give me
a nice, beautiful room. Nice. Okay. The price is 400 million. 400 million for.
Why 400 million?
Because we have.
I think it's too much.
Not too much.
It's too much.
The room is contained with bed, TV, fridge, carpet, bed sheet, pillow, bed under, wardrobe, washroom. Name the sister say I can't say one way I can't but just
reduce the price.
Hey,
you almost made me make a mistake.
Nadia pa I can reduce the price. Nadia boy.
Just reduce the price and give me a room. Like you're taking this holy shoot. You're making it a big one.
Iba your friend is a medical wifey. Fella make a fee. Oba make an 700 million. Who has always got 800 million?
They got money.
No problem. I'll reduce it.
Thank you.
So what are you paying for the family? What are you paying?
What will I pay?
Yeah, well that's what I say.
Let me give you 1,000.
Say 10 million.
Yeah.
Many.
Unya jaya. Me ma 1,000 Ghana now unja jaya. And I'm a buyer now. Is it because of the English that I'm speaking?
Sister, I'm okay, sister.
Adai. Also 400 then.
400
million.
Yeah.
For 2 days.
For no, even for you balance me for the 2 days.
Let's balance 400 million.
Yeah.
Me ma 1,000.
But your 1,000 so they many.
Unya ba Jimmy ko ebida me ko.
Come back. Hey! What's it?
Mr. Fawo Jimmy ko.
What's it?
Fawo Jimmy, I don't want to be that.
Are you understand what you are speaking?
Metiasia.
Say.
Mr. Fawo Jimmy ko. Onje 1,000 na 10 million onje.
Meje.
Obaje.
Net read the mania.
Yanko come.
Meje sir. We the majimini so.
Mindi kan. Me kwa minim han ti me se dey di.
Me go open room say can na the obeka bia meye.
Room number dey mean tin nka ba o dem sim ma me bi. Wa o dey hwe me na ma me bi.
Me more expensive room. Why? More expensive room. Now what's it there? What's me? Me ka say me na say there.
Me se fa oji me ko.
Ma so yanko na me nchire room no. Why? Yanko. Me go to na me ka say me na what's it there?
Me se fa oji me ko.
Me ba me ji me ngo. Me ba to kwai. Why?
Me fa he.
But fa say ya.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm frustrated. Me who me kasa na me ke bia wo ye obi o ye responsible lady pa. Me o se fa wo ji me ko. Let me mistake ko ha ko ba to ni sa wo. Aish, you dey my gini pa you so my gini pa. Me kura mi gini kura. PPC say ya o so buy o cheche ne hu say ya na me kwaje no ewi ase no be wada hotel ha no class say bi enkan wi na me say gidi ba ofri there be what's a man person there be menya ma no so ko wura wode ha kwa me ka say me nyi sika no bro ka fa gidi me koi no nya ko wura yin sa na me say ka say sister person ko ayo pese obobum to ko me pe fa wuji me ko ni ko bi ma na ja obende adi un hotel kuma Lepacho bra wai. Lepacho enweni. So, what's that for a surprise? If I find me a bit. It's a cobas and need to mammy dear. Lepacho enweni. So, person not beat me up, babe, beat me up, babe.
Oh, what's the man I'll catch me? Small room say.
Sister.
I don't know, bought me for why. I'm a simmer 1,000. A car coming to us out.
Won't you 1,000 so? Sister, who buy a small room at least? What person will buy a while bet me to say no one stretching with them.
I mean, I'm so with the one Mr. Share and saying.
We are shows away Nadia, Miaba.
There be room this sir.
Sir.
Danny. May bow.
There was a way to my check so I find the washroom this way.
May I wash you?
Washroom is the toilet and bath and our face. You're washing face.
Effing. Mr. Water, bathhouse on the moon, Chihuahua.
Sister, Now, please, can I ask you the same question?
Go on.
What are you seeing for the bathroom? What is your environment?
Everything hey.
Nasa waba.
What's here for housing?
Piccadilly Hotel.
Into AC, into
AC we need a jaffam. A jaffam into now.
And I'll buy me for I am so spending about 1,000 no.
Sister, who pay 400 million now? You have 400 million wounds so. What a 1,000? You know what 1,000 ma? What is your problem?
And I said 1,000 coming to your house.
Won't you?
I had no money.
What bet you say?
A place I said me better than me to your town.
Who bet you say?
I had no. I had no thing. Mama can say 10 cedis.
Say
10 cedis.
10 cedi.
Yeah.
Young quite a member room for back and the pending. You find a chance in him, or drop in him, washroom in him. I found one and a phone.
You cry, my dear.
Sister, me pacho. And you won't go on a better with the house. A titri be better, Obia, how
room now to my own. Away, maybe so, Miss Mammy, when you come out.
No, man, it's a you, Uba Sabi, and Ponja Jomo.
Dear.
You can't afford.
I can afford it, but I'm in per room wait.
What are you room you what room you want?
Make a trust mom a nice room.
And a nice room.
Maybe some set you up a romantic date, like for my boyfriend.
You can't chop romantic here.
In a hotel.
This hotel, if you want to chop romantic. No. But this hotel, if you want to chop romantic, you chop with the receptionist. It's either you chop with the receptionist or you don't chop romantic. It's the same as what I talk. So if I manage, okay? If I manage, no problem. If anything,
hey, bad no sweating.
Bad and the fancy go soon as you fancy go soon as you sister. I then now why are you talking so like that? Why are you talking like that?
The big room, no, I'm not comfortable with it.
Like, you are not?
I'm not comfortable.
Comfortable. If you are not comfortable, we can go to next room, but the next room is 400 million. If you pay, we go. That's the problem.
Okay, let's go.
For the room?
I won't pay 400 million, but let's go on live.
If you not pay 400, if you manage it?
I can't manage this. I don't like this.
I tell about some crazy.
Pet room wait. Oh, the young economic question 400 million or so-called 400 million room. No, young economic. And
no private jet in there. You find the train now. You can never meet you know. And no, we answer maybe it costs so.
Room one.
Yeah. You have a taxi station there. You find
more taxi station.
I put one and chamber only. I put now room. For dual. Wow, Nadia Wally, Nadia Wally. You are a bad girl.
I'm not a bad girl.
You are a bad girl. No. You know my favorite. You want me and Fama. If you no pay, you no get. Oh. Here is your room.
I don't like this room. It's too small.
If you say fine, this is a fine. You for you to fine.
Fun ne wake.
I wake.
Mempe fun.
I wake better no. Entimi emon nutu. I 1.5 level.
And the same age modern. Young for
and yet you may just a many per room papa. So sister pro better how you I baku be di obey wedding. Bear wedding wa.
But I am quite.
Sister, and yes, I tell you, say you for manage this room for me. I
can't manage this room. This room is too small for me.
It is small.
Yes.
So you want a large one?
Because there is so much heat in here.
Heat.
Yeah.
Near to plan on kakran so ha. Na high.
Na but to plan room.
Na high oven room. Na
hotel where the bibia.
Yeah. Bibia na high oven room. On to plan on bed ha.
And I will do oven room, mommy.
Say 10 million. Na 10 million go open air condition room.
And I know some for mommy. You
medical most on Beba high offense next week.
On the banana call.
And decay the poof here on one people to be at them one hour per one.
It's what it medical to me.
No, it's like sister, Mammy said was a question back on Pacho. Young upon a ball.
Nanga.
And also I was at a banda.
Ain't nothing but no.
There be any of us a shutter bandit, even young quarters and wait a fence. Why demonstration? Because what's this, you know? How come?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Is the room.
Okay. The room. But the room The matter is the room is for you here. Not different room again.
This is too small.
Small?
Honestly.
So when is your boyfriend coming?
I said either tonight or tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
So if your boyfriend come, I change the room for you, no problem.
No.
You say if you see what do you want me to do now?
I can't relax here.
Relax. Young office when I go relax. Overfend by my dad. Why young? Let's go. I will give you the room. I say when your boyfriend come.
My manager, yeah, me call. Just can me into me call.
Yeah. Just let me go from out. Corner me go be. Once one ya dear.
Na young quiet.
Me ba. Enya me pe. Hey, sister na wo asibo hu se obi ewu ato ha enti na wo so beji wu mi ana woye si adia na because obi aka be ewu mama that at least if for manager go for makai manage na you say you know manager different room and now wo hweke me patrol rooms na ga ni na e ja to ho ni na asha ha ase ngwa na aka you know manager forgive me different room you know manager This again. Hey! Yes!
Relax. I'm relaxed. How can I relax? So what happened?
The guy, he's smart. Like,
really? Up to now, more information.
Ma try bibia. Like, my try and kebia menya bibikit way be friend honey, but still.
I knew.
Dia no like I said, menene car sama. Nasa wasasi sana no. Style be nasa was.
Okay,
sana no.
That means we can still get something from him.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking because one I told her I said the person can't be no. But then now I said was I change I said topic no cry not the beautiful fry be shame. But many know what time.
So have you booked the place?
Yeah, I've booked the place already.
So how many weeks are you staying there?
I told him 2 days.
2 days.
But
yeah,
I think
because
I might have to extend it.
I know you're good at this job. That's why I called you. I know you can do this. You can get the information we need.
I will because this is weird. This is strange.
You
strange.
have to.
Because guy on you. Spend day and night. Whereabouts.
I've been calling her up to now. I'm not getting any information.
I know. Whatever. You relax it. You relax mano. And you quite say mano. Your man is suspected to be what I say. You relax mano.
This guy is really involved or he has done anything to my friend now.
We will definitely get him.
For sure.
Definitely we will get him.
He's messing up with the wrong person. He shouldn't even dare.
It's a trap and he will definitely fall into it. He told her relax it.
Just thinking about it is giving me headache.
Yeah, I know. Because she's your friend.
Of course, and the only friend I have.
So
alright. I have to go before anyone suspects you are in there for something. So
I think I'm gonna have to go back.
Alright. So I'll be waiting for anything.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'll give you a call.
So later. Thank you.
Alright.